Hey there, Disney fans. If you're eager to dive into the magical world of Disney Plus but a little unsure about logging in, you're in the right spot. I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, so you can start enjoying your favorite movies and shows in just a few minutes. First off, make sure you have a Disney Plus account. If not, you'll need to sign up on their website or app. I'll link that in the description for another video. But assuming you're ready to log in, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Disney Plus app on your smartphone, tablet, smart TV, or go to disneyplus.com on your computer. You'll immediately see the login screen with fields for your email and password. Step 2. Carefully enter the email address you used when you signed up. Double-check for any typos, as this is key to accessing your account. Step 3. Type in your password. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, so ensure you're entering it exactly as you set it up. If you can't remember it, don't panic. There's a "Forgot Password" option we'll cover soon. Step 4. Hit the "Log In" button. If your details are correct, you'll be whisked away to your personalized home screen, where you can browse categories, search for titles, and start watching. Now, let's talk about potential hiccups. If you see an error message, it might be due to incorrect credentials or two-factor authentication. In that case, check your email or phone for a verification code and enter it when prompted. For forgotten passwords, click the "Forgot Password" link. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset it via email, and then try logging in again. Once you're in, you're all set to explore endless entertainment. Logging into Disney Plus is quick and straightforward, making it easy for beginners and pros alike. If you run into any other issues, feel free to check out Disney's Help Center or drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming. May the Force be with you.